Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't click on anything on desktop and nothing works. So first of all, you want to open up your task manager. To open it, you can click Ctrl Alt Delete, and then with your arrows just choose task manager. After that, your task manager will open up. You want to go ahead, if nothing works for you and nothing clicks on, all you have to do is just use your arrows basically and click on it. Now, if you cannot right click on it on this Windows Explorer, you want to go ahead and find this file. If you cannot do this, so to right click on here, you want to go ahead and click Shift. For me, it is F10. For you, it might be Shift F10. So go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, now you have it. And all you have to do is just with your arrow on your keyboard, you want to click Restart and restart your Windows Explorer. After that, the problem should be fixed. If not, then you go to and open up CMD, command prompt, and run it as administrator. Again, if nothing clicks on, you can go ahead and use your keyboard for it. Now here on command prompt, you want to go ahead and write down sfc /scannow, and after that you want to go ahead and write down another command. Now another command will look like this. I'm going to leave it in the description for you to copy. Now once this scan will be done, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. Now after that, the problem should be fixed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and also leave a like, and I will see you next time.